This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing the search to the most probable spots. You already know where you used it last. Check your desk, backpack, car, and couch creases. These hide small items. Make sure to look inside pencil cases, makeup bags, and any 1/2 open boxes. Markers slip between layers. Once done, sniff for that faint marker odor or scan for fresh ink stains. This explains why some spots are more likely, and it speeds recovery, so you waste no time. Now you apply a method. Divide the area into zones and sweep each top to bottom, left to right. You avoid missing hidden corners. Use a small flashlight to catch reflective ink glints or employ a magnet if the cap has metal. This trick saves time. Sticky tape removes lint that hides markers in fabric. Once you finish one zone, move to the next. This thorough approach reduces random searching and helps you understand why the marker ended up where it did. You're finishing by retrieving and securing the marker correctly. Grasp both cap and barrel, pull gently, and avoid pressing the tip to clean surfaces. Test it on scrap paper to confirm ink flow, then recap immediately to prevent drying. This explains why quick recapping preserves marker life. If you still can't find it, recheck trash, laundry, pockets, and under cushions. A common troubleshooting tip. Use a vacuum with a nylon stocking over the nozzle to trap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.